A solid that is heavier than the fluid, when placed in it, will sink to the bottom of the fluid, and that solid, when placed in the fluid, will be lighter than its original weight by the weight of the fluid displaced. Eternity might be a silly word, but perhaps a mathematician has the best chance at whatever that means. Those who claim to discover everything but produce no proofs of the same may be confuted as having actually pretended to discover the impossible. Equal weights at equal distances are in equilibrium, and equal weights at unequal distances are not in equilibrium but incline towards the weight which is at the greater distance. Many people believe that the grains of sand are infinite in multitude. Others think that although their number is not without limit, no number can ever be named which will be greater than the number of grains of sand. But I shall try to prove to you that among the numbers which I have named there are those which exceed the number of grains in a heap of sand, the size not only of the earth, but even of the universe. Eureka! Eureka! Supposed to have been his cry, jumping naked from his bath and running in the streets, excited by a discovery about water displacement to solve a problem about the purity of a gold crown. Two magnitudes, whether commensurable or incommensurable, balance at distances reciprocally proportional to the magnitudes. The center of gravity of any parallelogram lies on the straight line joining the middle points of opposite sides. It follows at once from the last proposition that the center of gravity of any triangle is at the intersection of the lines drawn from any two angles to the middle points of the opposite sides respectively.